On today's episode of Fuel Up, it's all about heights and bites.
I'm on top of the world in Whistler, BC!
You know it. It's time to fuel up. Let's go! I begin my ride to Whistler from Vancouver on Highway 99 northbound. This is a beautiful highway, taking you from seaside to mountainsides. Whistler was a part of the 2010 Vancouver Olympics and Paralympic Games. In the summer, Whistler's a haven for cyclists and hikers. And in the winter, it's all about those world-class slippery slopes. If only I could show you what it looks like in the winter. Oh wait, I can!
Yeah, Papa, look at this, it's so beautiful! It's really cold. Oh.
Anyway.
Alright, about to get on the first gondola. First of many gondolas. Lift off.
From here I embark on a 25-minute ride up to the Roundhouse Lodge summit at a height of 1,850 meters.
Almost there. Hey, we're going to the summit. Let's go. And I'm off again!
So what do you do when you get to the top of the mountain? You take a bunch of selfies and shout,
I'm on top of the world in Whistler, BC! I'm on top of the world in Whistler, BC! I'm on top of the world in Whistler, BC!
Well, that's done. Time to go back down.
Thank you! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this! I think it's almost worse going down than it was going up. If I fall, at least I'll fall onto billowy snow and not these massive jagged rocks, right?
Now I board the peak-to-peak gondola with the longest unsupported span in the world, connecting Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains. This one happens to have a glass floor. Spooky! The peak-to-peak is just over 3 kilometers long and dangles 436 meters above ground. And who doesn't love a good dangle?
So the gondola just stopped at the middle, so we're basically just floating between mountains here. We're stuck between the mountains. Trying to be cool.
Did it! Welcome to Blackcomb! Just in time for my reservations. Let's fuel up.
I have a very important date with Christine's Restaurant, located at the top of Blackcomb Mountain.
What a ridiculous setting for a ridiculously delicious meal.
I start off with the scallop ceviche, complete with scallops, lime, watermelon, sunflower, puffed rice, and pickled onion.
This is a beautiful painting on my plate right here.
What can I say? I'm a sucker for ceviche.
I'm sorry, but you can't try this. It's all mine. The textures that are happening there are so well balanced, as well as the flavor. You've got the tang, the sweet. My mouth is so happy. All gone. Round 2, please.
Next I go for the charred 48-hour short rib. It's a maple barbecued short rib with jalapeno cheddar cornbread, roasted kale, and bread and butter pickles.
Oh yeah, that's incredible. This was an awesome choice. I'm so happy with this. I love a good piece of meat in my mouth. It's so decadent yet so dirty because there's so much butter in this. My tongue's having a party. It's raising the roof. I'm dead, seriously. I'm so dead from that meal. That meal just put a bullet in me and made me die super happy.
And there you have it. A day of cables and tables. Well, actually, there was only one table, but it was a delicious one. I've been your host, Moniquea Marion. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube for more episodes and follow on Instagram at Fuel Up the Show. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride. Goodbye!